Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be going over summer essentials because I don't know about you and where you live, but here it's getting hot. We are going from 80 to 90s, 80 to 90s back and forth, and I know in just like a week or two it's going to be steady 90s, and I am fine with that. Like, I thoroughly enjoy pool days, lake days, all of that. I enjoy riding my motorcycle, so I'm fine with it. I don't care. But I know that there's just some things that you need during these hot, sweaty months. And the very first thing that I could think of is a giveaway. I am actually going to be doing a giveaway today. I'm not talking about anything about the summer other than a thank you to you guys. Thank you for subscribing to my channel and watching my content consistently. I love you guys, and I'm just going to give back. I have done this before where I just kind of sneak this into a video and call it something that it's not, because I know a lot of times people think giveaways are for gaining, and I don't want to do that. I want to give back to you guys, so that's what I'm doing. The first essential for summer is a big thank you. Thank you for 100,000. Thank you for all your love and support. And without further ado, I'm going to get into all of the products that I'm going to be giving away. Stay tuned for the rules at the end. There's not a lot. I'm not going to make you go subscribe here, comment here, tag you 5 friends, do all this, whatever. This is for you guys, my supporters. I love you. So let's go ahead and just jump into this. I have my little box of stuff that I'm sending, and then the ones I'm going to show you, because I'm not going to open up the things that I'm giving away. So anywho, let's go ahead and jump into this with the very first thing that I actually don't have in front of me, so I will show you. I am going to be giving away a Quick Sonic Zoe. I love this thing so much. In case you're wondering, let me get this open. This is what it looks like. I have the same exact one, same color, everything. It is a facial cleansing device. I have raved about this. I just love it. I love it so much that I got one for you guys, and somebody is going to be getting this and just love it. It has all these different modes on it, and it's made for every skin type. So this is the first thing that's going to be going into the giveaway. And then these are real easy things. So they're in the new packaging, but I'm going to show you what they are. I've talked about these a lot on my channel. I think I've done just about every giveaway I've done. I've given these away. I love these things. So these are empty palettes. Mine aren't empty because they're currently in use, but I'm giving away 2 palettes. One is going to be this leopard print one. They are from Tarte. They're magnetic, and they come with this huge mirror. So I'm giving away one this size, this guy right here, as well as one of these smaller ones. I really want the camo in a bigger size, but they don't make that. This one right here, I have my Sydney Grace blush in, my favorite one. This one over here, in case you were wondering, has a bunch of Sydney Grace shadows, and I kind of just interchange them as I'm using them. But this one's so great for travel. So if you wanted to have a blush, a highlight, and a few shades of eyeshadow, it's really nice for on the go. So both of those will be in the giveaway. And then the next thing we have is from Tatcha. I'm not going to open this one. I purchased this one. Tatcha sent me this one, and it is the Satin Skin Mist. I feel like this is perfect for this summer because it's not going to give you too much glow, but it's going to give you a little bit. And make sure you shake this up because you can get some dots. Make sure you shake this. You can hear that? Yeah, make sure you shake that up. I felt like this is the perfect thing to add in for these summer months whenever you're getting a little too hot for something too luminous. Me personally, never. That doesn't happen. But this is a great thing to try out. It's new, and I wanted to share that with you guys. I also put 2 glosses in here that I just felt were kind of summery. So I have 2 Anastasia glosses, and these are the ones that I have here that are mine. I'm putting in Luna, this golden shade, as well as Freya right here. I love these. I think that they are beautiful. Who doesn't like a glossy lip during the summer? I know I do. And speaking of Anastasia Beverly Hills, I am also going to include the Norvina palette. So this one is mine. This is what she looks like, and this one is yours. Summer. I'm so excited. I am really excited for this, you guys. You guys don't understand. You don't understand. I am so grateful. You have no idea. And then this one, I'm really excited to give away because this is one of the prettiest palettes I have. Like, I love this. If you have not tried out Cool Tones, I'm about to force you guys to. This is the Stiletto palette from Marc Jacobs. I have raved about this. It's been in my favorites, so I got one of those for you guys. And then I know a lot of you have not been able to get your hands on the cheek leader. I keep calling it cheerleaders, but it's the cheek leaders palette from Benefit. I currently have it on right now. Come on, Cookie. Oh, Cookie is the center shade right here, and then it also has Hula and Gold Rush. It's all about Cookie though. I mean, let's be real, it's really about this highlight. So I got one of those for you guys. Got that there for you. And then I thought I would throw in another eyeshadow palette. And typically I'm not a big fan of Natasha Denona's minis, but this one's amazing. Someone thought that I was saying that I loved the Sunset one. No, that's not it. That's not the bee's knees. This one is right here. This is the mini nude. Can you see how dirty this is? Probably not, but I love this palette. So I am adding that into the giveaway. And then I have a couple more things. Woo! What a break stuff. I'm always dropping things. I told you guys that I picked up 2 of these, but I did not tell you that I actually picked up 3 because then you would know about the giveaway, duh. I felt like I had to add just a little bit of joy. Puppies and summer, come on now. So I am adding in a Too Faced Glover highlight because A, good calls, B, it is cute, and C, the color is really pretty too. Not like the most amazing highlight ever like Cookie is, but it's cute. It's really cute. And then I'm going to be adding in the Summer Glow. Everybody needs a finishing powder. This is actually one that I can't use. I gave away Sicily last time, I think. This time I am going to be giving away one from Laura Mercier. I reviewed this. I have a mini because this does contain cornstarch. Forewarning, most people can use cornstarch without an issue. I cannot. But this is a beautiful powder. Do not set your whole face with this. This is a glowy powder, like to buff with or to add just spot glowiness to your face. It is stunning. This is what it looks like right here. Let me see if I can get some of this out and just, do you see that little bit of radiance on my skin? I don't know. It's really beautiful. It's really finely milled. It is absolutely stunning. So like if you wanted to add a little bit of glow to your forehead, a little on your chin, and just not have it be overwhelming, or you can buff with this. It is such a beautiful powder. This one and the Charlotte Tilbury one just makes me really angry that I can't use them because they're so pretty. But yeah, anywho, I think that is it. Is that it? I think that's it. All right, you guys. So now for the rules of my giveaway. A, you just have to be subscribed to me. That is the one thing I am going to check. And you have to comment down below. That's it. Just any comment. I don't care what you say. I don't care if you mention the giveaway. I don't care if you don't mention the giveaway. As long as you comment on this video, you will be entered, and as long as you are also subscribed to me. I want to make sure and just reiterate, because this is going to be international, that it only applies where it is allowed. So I know like sometimes different countries has different rules for giveaways and certain wordings and stuff, so just be mindful of that, but it is open internationally. I'm going to give this about a week before I pick a winner at random, completely at random, and I don't know when that specific date is going to be because I don't know when this video is going to be up, so it will be listed down below when I choose the winner. Now, this is the most important part. The easiest way for me to reach out to you is through YouTube, and a lot of people get confused. They don't know where the messages are on YouTube. If you're one of those people that are concerned, like, I want to win, but I don't know how to check my YouTube and stuff, or how do you do that? just give me some other form of communication. So you can put your email down there if you feel comfortable, your Instagram, just some way for me to be able to reach out to you. Once I reach out to somebody, you have 24 hours to respond before I have to move on to the next person. So make sure you're checking the date down below. That's when I will be choosing a winner. Make sure you are checking your inbox. I will choose a winner at 12 o'clock my time, which is like, I don't know. I'll have to look it up because I'm not good with time zones. I think it's central. I don't know. But I will leave that down below so that you know at that time I will be sending out the notification. So be checking for it. And then if you don't answer, I'm going to have to pick somebody else. But good luck to all of you. I hope you guys like what I picked out for you. It's just a thank you again to all of you guys. You guys mean the world to me. Without you, I wouldn't have this channel, and I want you guys to know just how grateful I am. I cannot emphasize that enough. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.